So good morning students. So yesterday we have discussed about 1 mark questions which we asked in the question paper from 2014 to 2020. So next here we came to for the part B, that is 2 marks on the relation and function. So your question, so that is the syllabus is going to change, and if the syllabus is changed, so certainly certain topics have been reduced here, but we are solving the examples from 2014 to 2020 means. So let me recall this, and later whatever the, so which are the topics are there in the new syllabus, those we have to discuss, or we have to solve those type of a problem, and remaining out we have to leave. So but this is asked in 2014 in the binary operations. So on the binary, so what they asked, associative property. So we know the associative property on the set of rational number. Let me consider, let a comma b comma c belongs to q, and what we have to show, that is a star b bracket star c is equal to a star bracket b star c, b star c. If we show this LHS is equal to RHS by using this operation, then the star is associative, we can easily say that. So first we take the LHS. LHS ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, LHS is equal to ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, a star b star c. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. a star b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ a x. a star b is equal to ab by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, LHS x star c ಆಯ್ತು. x star c ಅಂದ್ರೆ xc divided by 2. ಸೊ xc divided by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a b c divided by 2 into 2 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ it will become like this. So a b by 2 into c divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a b c 2 into 2 4 will get named as a 1. So next we move to, that is the RHS side. RHS is equal to ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, a star b star c. So first ಏನಂದೇವ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ a 1, b star c. b star c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, b star c. b star c ಅಂದ್ರೆ bc by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So bc by 2, bc by, that is y, is equal to a star y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a star y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ay divided by 2. Substitute here. Finally we got, that is abc by 4. Name it as 2. From 1 and 2 ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, from 1 and 2 we came to know that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS ಏನಾಯ್ತು, RHS. LHS RHS equal ಆದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ associative. Therefore star is associative. Therefore star is associative. Therefore star is associative. So this is about the 2014 question paper. It is asked in 2014 question paper. So next problem, it is also asked in 2014 July. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. They have given f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. So means f of 1 and f of 2 have the same image. So f of x is given x minus 1 for x greater than. So x ಯಾವ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನೈತ್ರಿ f of x x minus ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರಿ on to but not 1 on to but not 1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ 1 1 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸೊ on to ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ on to ಸೊ 1 1 ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so that is on to so that what is the set we have a domain natural number so first 1 so let me take 1 comma 2 belongs to the domain of 1 and they are different 1 is different from 2 then we find out the image of f of 1 what they have given of 1 equal to 1 then f of 2 we find out f of 2 equal to what they have given again 1 so here we confirm that 1 is not equal to 2 but their images are equal it implies that f of 1 is equal to f of 2 of 1 equal to therefore f is not 1 1 not 1 so one part is completed next we find out that is onto what about onto ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ range what is the range of the function means collection of all the image range of f we call so what is the range so 1 is already it is the image if you put 3 minus 1 2 so 3 will get 4 so on will get that is equal to the natural number which is equal to codomain codomain therefore f is on to f is on so now here it is clear that f is not 1 1 so f is on to but not 1 hence f is on to but not 1 but not 1 so this is what so next we come to that is show that the function f from show that the function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square is neither 1 1 nor onto it is asked in 2017 March 2017 so here we go to that is the March 2017. Why? Because in between these two they asked the questions on the basis of the composition and binary operation. So better to leave them. Why? Because in a revised chapters, revised, so that is the syllabus, we don't have, so that those 2 points, that is the binary operation and composition of the function. So better to leave that. So this will show that the function, it is on the functions and types of function, one not on. So better to solve that is one first. 1 means what? For a different element, we should have a different image. So the given function is f of x is equal to what they have given? 1 plus x square. Real number, we know that. So minus 1 and 1. So they are the real number or not? So they are real number. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. So whenever we got the perfect square number, at that time we have to take like this only when we are discussing 1 and 1 2. So different, let me find out their images. F of minus 1 is equal to 1 plus minus 1 whole square. So is equal to 1 plus 1 whole square 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 square means 1 plus 1 2. F of 1. So both are equal. F of minus 1 is equal to f of 1. So different element got the same image, means that the function is not a 1 function. Therefore f is not 1. So next, for onto, so we can discuss directly. They have given. So for onto, when we are discussing the onto, we have to change that the function y is equal to 1 plus x square. We will write it at x form. X square is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to root y minus 1. So what the condition we have? For every y belongs to what is that is real number. So there exists x is equal to root y minus 1 is belongs to R or not we have. So it is not belongs. If y becomes minus 1, minus 2 is not there in R. So it is not belongs to. Such that f of x equal to 1. Therefore f is not on. F is not on. Very simple about this. So this is asked in 2017, 2 marks. So next question. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of x equal to x square is 1 but not onto. Is 1 but not onto. So this is a possible question we have taken, that is possible questions. Maybe ask that this kind of problems also. So first we check 1 f is 1. So for 1 we will take the natural number. 1, 2 belongs to the natural. Whether they are different or not, different. Then we find out their image, or the image continuity. F of 1 and image another 1 square, that is 1. F of 2 image another 2 square, that is 4. That is 4. So f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Therefore different element got the different image. Therefore f is on. F is 1. F is 1. Next we come to that is whether f is onto or not. So we can move whether the domain range on the basis of that we can move, or we can change that. So onto function. For onto, what will convert? We convert x in terms of y. So y is equal to what we have? X square. X equal to root y. Root y. So here for every y belongs to the codomain, there exists x is equal to root y does not belongs to the natural number. It is not belongs to such that f of x equal to y. So where x is a pre-image of y, but that x is not there in n. If it is not there in n, so therefore f is not onto. F is 1 1 but not on. Hence f is 1 1 but not onto, so this completes. So next we come to show that the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x equal to mod x. So v is neither 1 1 nor onto. We have already discussed this in the when we are discussing about the functions also and greatest integer also. So this is about that. These are the possible questions whatever we have discussed here for a 2 marks. Let me move to that is 3 marks. So from this chapter, relation and function. So here mostly we will get that is so many examples regarding that is the relation and function. Relation only we will get that for the 3 marks. So why? Because they may ask for 3 marks. So show that the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So for each 1 marks, if they are given 3 marks, it is sufficient. The possible questions for 3 marks, that is in the relation. So let me discuss that is the 3 mark questions. So from the part C regarding the relation and functions. So first we start with The first question is that determine whether the relation are in the set A is equal to 1 2 3 so on 13 14 defined by R is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it is asked in March 2015, Jan 2019. So this is the problem, and we have already discussed when we are solving the exercise. It is a exercise question number 1. So it is not necessary to discuss. And next we move to that is which is a question asked, that is, so the second question, show that the relation are in the set of all integers by defined by R equal to A comma B such that 2 divides A minus B, is an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence. So this is also already discussed in the when we are solving the examples. So if you see the video, so then you come to know that, or better to solve it, and later we will discuss whether it is not got, we will discuss these two problems. So we will continue tomorrow.